Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I just have to try to do something. I have a little problem with my back again. But we starting to do some more service work on this Lexus. The plan was to do much more. Sorry, but now I'm just jumping in between the rain here. See if I can change the filter. There. Air filter for engine. I was in here cleaning up some other things and I see the air filters under here, so I just get some tools to remove 4 things here and then we can get in. Openers are, this one was supposed to push them in, as I remember. That remove the whole top, and then it's very easy to see the filter box is here. And you just remove the whole box. This filter looks nice on this side. Put the camera a little further away. Looks very nice on the inside. Bad on the other side. Even when you start to see from the side, it's dirty. So I just have to go in the back and see that I got the right filter. Also cleaning out a little shit in the holder. Yeah. This is the air filter. I ordered air filter for 2 cars. This one on my project 5000 that is coming later. So this is a shocking ugly color. Luckily I don't have to look at it. I just fit it in. Very simple, go down same way again. Put back the 2 clips and then it's locked in place. The old one can just go away. There, it's back in place. I should have get some new clips. There, it's back in place. More or less that you don't need a tool. I used my screwdriver. I was thinking maybe I need to use this one too, but I didn't. And plastic breaker bars and things like that. It's very easy to use here. Now we have new engine filter. So very easy. Don't have to stress about going to a repair place. I order mine at Autodoc in Germany and get it shipped to Norway. I ordered this one and oil filter and filter for inside the car. You see the downside there is very filled up. Yeah, so please, this is video number 4 about the RX450 hybrid. I have this 26, 27 videos about the RX400 hybrid. There's coming more there too. And it's coming more here. I'm going to also change the cabin air filter, oil filter, and change oil. And I have to do a lot of things under the car. I have to get some suspension parts and change in the front. They have some small knocking noises. So it's going to be much more. I'm also going to do a cabin air filter soon now. So going to come a video very soon about that too. Yeah, thank you. Welcome back. Please put a like. Please put comments. Do you have some answer about this car or the 400 or if you see on my channel, I have more than 100 videos about Land Cruiser 120 series and a lot more. Soon I'm going to pass 800 videos and 5,000 subscribers. So then I'm going to come with Project 5000, which is a different, completely different brand than I ever had before. Stand waiting for follower number 5000 coming, and then I'm going to show what I have. Thank you.